Hey guys, welcome to Camp Fish Repeat. This is Tucker. Say hi, Tucker. Hey, Tucker. He wants to play. Um, we've most of our videos have been about camping and fishing, and one of the things that I've been wanting to get into for a while has been backpacking, and so one of the things that I've really been working on is developing a what they call a cook kit, and I've built three, and my philosophy when it comes to a new hobby is always creativity before capital. In other words, instead of spending a lot of money on some really nice gear before I know that it's something I'm going to enjoy, I really want to make sure that I'm going to enjoy it. So I usually try to either make it myself or do something. And so that's kind of what I've done. I've got three kits here that I've made myself. The first kit that I made, I watched a video by Syntax77 that he had created about his budget cook kit, and you can watch that if you'd like. But I'm going to kind of show you these one by one and kind of give you a weight as I go. This is the first one that I created. This is just a metal coffee can that I bought the coffee at Dollar General store, and this is just this is actually a lid that I made from a $1 cookie sheet. You get these at the dollar store, Dollar Tree, but that's just simple, a handle that I riveted on. The lid is made from a disposable heavy-duty aluminum foil cookie sheet, and it's just kind of pressed on with a little bit of paracord at the top for a little handle. And then of course in here I've got a little moisture barrier and a windscreen. Also, what normally goes with this kit, actually I got it in this kit over here, let me pull that out, is this. So this right there, this is actually a clean, non-lined tin can. Just I think there was this one had green beans, something non-acidic, and of course I've got a bottle of alcohol there, cigarette lighter. This is used to boil the water. This is used. This would be like a coffee mug, a super lightweight coffee mug, and just a regular Fancy Feast can as a stove. So this was the first one that I created, was this, and then also made a cozy out of a $1 windshield protector vinyl. They put them on the windshield to keep the sun from damaging your car. But this was the first kit that I put together, and this kit's pretty light. This one only weighs about the pot itself with the lid only weighs 3.9 ounces. That's pretty light. And so if we assemble the whole kit here, this whole kit weighs, put this together. I can get it all in there. There we go. This whole kit weighs, with alcohol, weighs 9.6 ounces. This is a great little kit. I really love this. This is the first one I made. I painted this with grill paint, high temperature grill paint. The downside of this is simply that the inside of this is steel, and if you're not diligent about making sure when you use it that you dry it out, it will rust. I used this on a one-night trip that I made out into our woods here just to test some equipment, and just over the one night I was not diligent about drying it out. When I got back home, there was specks of rust. Of course, I scrubbed it out. So that is kind of, I'm not the best about being diligent about making sure that things like that don't happen. So I really started to look for something else that would be like this, would be inexpensive. This is really inexpensive, only a few bucks here is all that's in that maybe. that wouldn't weigh so much. So then I discovered what is called the Walmart, excuse me, the Walmart grease pot. And this is the Walmart grease pot right here. This is $7. I've got some string on here, kind of help. It still gets really hot. That's one of the downsides. This one, because it's riveted on, it does, I guess for some reason this doesn't get real hot. This one gets, the handle gets rocket hot. So, but inside here I've got another vapor barrier in there, and I also have another screen, all made from the disposable cookie sheets. Of course, same little cup in here with this, and then this has two lids. You can use this little strainer lid. It goes on there, and then also you could use this lid that fits on top. Now, the main problem what I had with this when I got this, and it's super nice. It's super big. The pot by itself, just the pot with both lids, weighs 8.2 ounces by itself. So when I assemble the kit in here, like so. Now you can not take this lid. You could decide to not take this lid, or you could decide not to take this lid. You don't have to take both. But anyway, but if you keep both lids, and just with a kit as I have it here, just this kit weighs 14 ounces. So, you know, that's like 4 ounces more, almost 5 ounces more than my little coffee can pot here that I really like, but I have a problem with rusting. So, I mean, I know what you're saying. You know, 5 ounces is not a lot, and it's really not, but when you're carrying this up on your back, I did a trip to Mousetail Landing and carried a lot more weight than what I should have, and it was almost too much for me. It really got to me, so I really have tried to pare this down. So I got this, I put this together, and I'm like, well, you know, this is just so heavy. You know, this is so heavy. And so then I went about trying to find maybe another solution. So this was $7 for the Walmart grease pot, the Mainstays grease pot. So I looked for another solution, and this is what I found. This is my cook pot as I'm using it today. And this is an IMUSA, I'm not sure how you say it, 12 centimeter mug. And this thing is super light. I mean, super light, and it's fairly strong. This thing weighs 3.6 ounces. So it does not have a lid, so I made another lid out of the disposable cookie sheet, and some a little bit of paracord at the top, kind of a handle to grab. Of course, I have a windscreen, my little vapor barrier in there. So we add that, and then I've got a different cup here. This is a GSI Bugaboo, of course, and this is another koozie that I made out of the windshield protector screen guard. In here I have a small bottle of alcohol, a cigarette lighter, and I have a little piece of a little scrub sponge in here. And around the lip, this is a silicone bracelet to kind of keep from burning my lips on the mug. And so created that fits right down in here with the windscreen. And then I made, of course, like I said, I made this lid. Now the cool thing about this is that this kit, as it is with alcohol in it, if I can get the lid on, only weighs 8.1 ounces. That's 8 ounces. So this is everything that I need. This is a cup to drink my coffee out of. This is a pot to boil my water. This is everything that I need to cook for 8 ounces. I mean, to me, that's just, you know, 8 ounces. Where this This is 14 ounces, so almost double, not quite, but almost double the weight. Yes, this has more capacity, but this will boil plenty of water. Most of the meals that I eat require no more than 2 to 2.5 cups of water. This will hold that and more. So I just wanted to share this with you. This cup, you can find these cups as, if you're willing to wait, you can find these cups as inexpensive as $5 or $6. If you'll go to a site where you can order it direct and you have to wait several weeks for it to get here. But you can actually buy this cup on Amazon for $8. So I think $8, $8.69, somewhere around in there in the $8 range. Less than $9, you can buy this cup. Of course, you won't get a lid. You'll have to make a lid out of some aluminum foil, but that is hard to beat for a super lightweight cooking kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that maybe it helps you. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get into a new hobby like backpacking or camping or whatever your hobby might be. There are ways to save money. Appreciate you watching our channels, taking time out of your day and watching our channel. So y'all have a great day, and God bless.